don't need a lot. And then now you can see the bottom. This is for automation. Now for automation, we put it right here to our ad-libs, and you can already see that it's panned to 30%, right? Alright, so now what you do is there's two ways you can add automation. If you want to add automation to the whole entire ad-lib section, this whole entire audio bus, so anything that is an ad-lib will be automated. It doesn't matter what vocal it is, you know? It doesn't matter if it's this or if it's another one, if this is deleted and another one is put in that place, it doesn't matter. It will all fall into that vocal automation. What you do is you right click, right? Or doing the method that we learned earlier, you boom, boom, move it just a little bit, then go up here, wow, panning, boom, create automation clip, right? Or right click right here, and some of these have a create automation. Alright, those are two ways, and that will control everything. Or double click here and just manipulate this single audio clip. How you do that is you go here to this pan, and you either move up, you know, move it a little bit, bam, right there, bam, or right click, create audio clip. So that's just it, the same exact way. You can find through here, looking over here right next to this, look right here. Alright, so it's at 51%, so I want to keep it there. So the reason why that's important is because let's say you have a reverb and you wanted to do automation and you wanted that reverb to get crazier and more intense. Where you're going, right? Alright, so we could even do this. Bam, automation. This is already set to the place I want it. That sounds really nice, right? I don't want to mess that up, so that's why I have this. It's at 8%, I can remember that. So now I can go at halfway. That's really where I want it to get up. So I'm gonna put it up here, and now it goes right back to 8%. So if I have anything else in there, it's gonna be the same, you know? It's really good that you do it like that, because you're gonna get lost and you're gonna lose your place. Everything's gonna be different sounds. It's not gonna be formal. It's crazy.
I'm speaking in the same language. I don't know what.
Alright, so now, boom. Now what we can do is we can move these. Same thing. The more you move up is the more you move left. The more you move down is the more you move right. So, and with the format, the more you move up, the more you move high pitch. The more you move down, the more you move low pitch. And depending on what you automate, it all affects different things. So, boom. All I did was I moved this one all the way to the left, this one all the way to the right. This one's in the middle from a transition, but you can tell that right here it's going to be at around 5% of the curve at an 89 to a 5. So in between 89 and 5 at a 5% curve. If you had a graph, you could pinpoint exactly where this sound's going to pan, you know? So you start out there, that's in the middle, and then it gets all the way back to the left, and then it goes all the way back to the right, but over a period of time at an 8% curve, you know, downward. So,
Yeah. This is for the format. You guys can hear it change pitch. This shit is really crazy. I'm speaking in the same language. I don't know what.
crazy. I'm gonna mute the top track so you can really hear that.
Yeah. Hey y'all. Damn. This is for automation. It's crazy to hear everything go different ways. Sheesh. Yeah.
So crazy. Perfect for when you're doing backings or ad libs and you need to add an extra lane of motion or movement to your piece. a nice addition.